Augustana has ignited so many new passions. It's given me new thoughts and perspectives on things. Hi, my name is Kate Boyle, and I'm a Communications, Sciences and Disorders and French double major, and I'm in the Augustana concert band. Coming into Augustana in the welcome week, I was able to go to the activities fair. I was just so happy. I signed up for all of the Greek life organizations, the pre-professional organizations. I've been involved in the rowing team, French club, a Greek organization. There were so many things that I had never known existed, and now I could be a part of that. Having the opportunity to take a break from everything that goes on in my day-to-day life and just sit and play my instrument and be with people. It's really nice to be in community with people who love doing the same things that I do. So we both got verbs. Augie has helped me become an innovator and a forward thinker. Good job. The CSD department here at Augustana has given me real-world clinical experience that I can take and use in my future.
I wonder what else we can find.
Going into grad school, I'm confident that my clinical experience that I've had at Augie will set me up for success. Overall, Augie has taught me who I am, who I want to be, and the things that I value most.